Yes, now friends, you want to draw this, and here we are going to draw it in sections. We are going to draw it in parts, then merge together to have one thing as indicated here. So with that, we are going to draw the cylinders, and we are going to draw the joining edges. So before we start, kindly subscribe, like and share to the channel, and as well to the videos. So what are we going to do? We are going to first thing is to do the page setup, that is the units, where we set the precision to 0.0, and the edges inches, the scale to millimeters, and then the limits from 0,0 to 297,210. After that, we zoom all. After you zoom all, the next question that you are going to ask ourselves: are we going to draw this in orthographic, in isometric, or in 3D? Today we are drawing in 3D, and drawing in 3D we are going to type UCS icon, then N for no origin, and then after that we are going to have it in south east isometric, and we are going to have in the shades with edges, we are going to have it in shades of gray. So after that, now we can start our work. We can now start off of this. We are going to check at the drawing. We have about 3 cylinders. The biggest cylinder, this half, and this is the edge. So we are going to get dimension. The first dimension is R22.5 and R12.5. We are going to draw those. We'll draw those. 22.5 and 12.5. Well, after that, we press pull it to a distance of 50. Press pull it to a distance of 50. Press pull to a distance of 50. Well and good, then escape. After that, we are going to draw the next cylinder. The next cylinder that we have is this, is 17.5 and 7.5 cylinder. It's actually not even a cylinder, but it's a magnet-like with those dimensions. So R, we draw R of 17.5 and 7.5, and after that it's supposed to be to a distance of 5, so we'll pick a line to draw from the corner, passing through the center to the corner, and have it to distance of 5. And this is the side as it goes. Have your author mode on, sorry for that. Have the author mode on. So meaning this, we are going to delete and have your line at a distance from this edge to distance of 5. Then you can track this line if not possible, then just bring this to a distance of 5 and then we connect both the points. After that we will get to trim this. We'll get to trim out these parts. We have to trim out these parts. Well, trim out those parts. Trim out those parts. Let's get to the drawing again, and it is 15, not 5. We missed it. We'll just correct that. Add 10. Add 10 and move this to from there to the edge of 10. Then copy that from this corner to the corner, and then we are done with that. After that, we are going to have a line from this to the joining 15. From this other quadrant, a distance of 15, and then we will trim, so trim this and trim this. So with this, what looks like a magnet, we are going to press pull this to a distance given of 20. Press pull to a distance of 20. That is well done. We are again going to draw another one, another cylinder of radius 15 and diameter 16. the cylinders of radius 15 and diameter 16. So with this we are going to change it through this. We want to draw on this edge. Well, so we'll draw isometric, and as well we will draw on this at the end, well, draw that at the end of R15 and again diameter 16. So this goes to a distance of 13 plus 13 plus 5, that is 26, plus 5, that is 31. So it is press pulled to a distance of 31. That is well done. So we have that. One more thing remaining. Their centers here, as you can see, is a distance of 35 to their centers. So we need to have a block of distance 35 and total height of that diameter 35. So change well. From the quadrant, draw a distance of 35, then have 30 because that is the diameter, and send it to the quadrant again. That is 35. So have this press pulled to a distance of 30, 31, have that to a distance of 31. Well done. So we can have it one. Let's do that at the end. So we have 3 items drawn. Well, so we have the 2 remaining. The 2 that are remaining is we are going to draw a rectangle of 35 by 35 35 by 90. We are going to draw a rectangle using lines, change back to word, and then using line, draw a rectangle of 90 by 90 by 35. By 35 and close it. After that, you press pull it to a distance of 10. Press pull it to a distance of 10. Then after that, one more thing remaining. Have a rectangle of 10 by that is total distance 10 by 90. Then we will press pull. By this from this cylinder to this cylinder, we have a distance of, from their centers, distance to their centers is 75, then minus 22.5, 75 minus 22.5 is, let me give you the answer, 75. Let me check. Yes, 75 minus 22.5 is 52.5. Then 52.5 minus 17.5. 52.5 minus 17.5, that is 17.5, that is 35. So we are going to have 37 length and 37 length and a width of, that is length of 37 and a width of 10. Then close. 37, then close. Well, after that we are going to press pull. So press pull this to a distance indicated here, a distance, press pull that to a distance of 35. Press pull that to a distance of 35. A distance of 35. Distance of 35. After that, one more thing remaining is this half a diagonal line and press pull that out. Press pull that out and then delete the necessary. After that, now we can join back our circles and our objects. We can join them together to bring one thing. Yes, can join them together now. As indicated, this is hanging up from a distance of 5, a distance of 5 left at the bottom, and this 2 is hanging, so all of them are hanging. It's only this and this that touches the ground. So we have that, line from up to a distance of 5. That is to a distance of 5, and then move these two together, move them two together, and use this as the base point to this place, this end, and after that, the next thing to do is again move this one, move this one, use that center and move to this center. Well, again, one more thing. We want to move this. We want to move this, and we want to move it correctly. So moving it well, we have to draw down to a distance of 5. Well, so move this and select the base point as the circle below, center of the circle below. Well, use that center to have it pinned. After that, you have one more figure remaining, that is this figure. So have it. Draw a line from this corner up to a distance of 35. Well, and press pull. Just to have it afresh. We'll have it afresh. So here is the dimension. We are going to press pull from this dimension. Press pull to a distance of 35 and enlarge. So we are going to have a distance and allowance here of 5, and have it to the diagonal. Well, after that, then you can press pull. Well, delete these. After that, we can now join. We can now move so I have it near. Then what do I do next? I measure the line distance of 1 that I had placed earlier. So we have yes, now we have it here. So what we are going to do, the early allowance that we had placed, we are going to have line from this point coming by 1. So we repeat that. By 1. Good. So we are going to move this that from the center, to this end. So having that, we will get it to shades. Well, with this I think you can see very well that it has some blocks. It has some blocks. It is not well. Let's repeat this. So we are going to remove this part. So after that, what we are going to do next now is just some few things. We are going to do just some few things remaining. As you can see this. So what we'll do is do the press pull. As you can see, this is full complete. So we are going to press pull this one all. So for that we use orbit to turn around and escape that. Escape. Well, press pull this. For you press pull, kindly do the union. Well, do the union. Once all are in union, then you can press pull. Good. That is done. Come back to this side. So you see, well, so I want to place this one centrally. Place this well. Place this well. Place it well. One will have to Yes, do, undo, undo, undo. Well, after that, we can do this alone. Can do this alone. Well, this is very easy. So move this alone. Move this alone. This place. Junction. Good. Good. Now you can do the union. Do the union. Do the union. And lastly, well. Good. Now all have been joined. All have been joined. So see, this is our object that we are drawing. I think now you can see it well. All the cylinders and how it's supposed to be. Well, it is good. Good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Be blessed. Invite your friends. Share with your friends as you wait for more of these uploads. Thank you.